G'day, how are you? Scott here from Coach 8. Just a quick video. We want to try and do a few more of these, especially for 2020. You're going to start seeing a lot more of these videos roll out, just these little quick ones. First up, I want to thank the ICRC for sending me this shirt. I know I did put some weight on this year, but I am not a double XL, okay? But thanks very much. It's a lovely color. I love the Hawaiian look, so thanks very much to the ICRC. Just a quick video on, we come into houses and structures today, whether it be houses, commercial, rental properties, things like that have got these types of structures. We look at the walls, they're either a plasterboard or a fibrous board. If you're in New Zealand, it'd be a gyp board. And we don't know what the framing is behind them. They all look the same when they're painted. And if we were using a meter, similar to this, these Tramex meters, they work on the principle of electrical impedance. Very, very nice meter. They create this low frequency that alternates between these plates. And so when you put them onto a wall frame, and if we set that, make sure that's set on dry wall, we run that across. Don't ever run these things this way. Don't ever slide them. These plates, they can leave some markings on your paintwork, so don't ever slide them across. And when we go to a frame, it will raise in its value, go from say 5 right up to, this one here is reading 16. So what does that value mean? And is it timber or is it steel? Great meters, doesn't matter if you're using these electrical impedance meters or you're using a dielectric meter. When they hit a steel frame, they're going to be affected in that reading, in that value. So a quick tool that I found has really helped us within the industry is these quick little magnets. It's actually a little stud finder, really good little tool. You can just put straight on, bang, straight onto a frame. That lets me know, working on magnetic field on it, it's stuck to that wall. Go across, don't ever slide these across your paintwork either. You can mark, bang. So we've got a steel frame there and a steel frame there. So now we can get our moisture meters to be able to identify where it's wet in between those steel frames. So our meters aren't going to be affected by these steel frames. We could put some tape off on those areas to confirm where our steel frames are. Very quick, easy, cheap way of being able to identify a steel frame in a structure. So go out and buy one of these guys, cheap as.